Hey, sixth grade, it's Math Monday. Woohoo! All right, I'm going to teach you guys about integer mats today. It's one strategy that will help you add or subtract integers. Represent positive with the color black and negative with the color red. And the reason they normally do that is because if you're in the red, that means your store is losing money. And after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, people are usually making money in their store. So positive becomes black. All right. So this is what we can use to help us add and subtract integers. And let's talk about why and how. The first thing is the key is to always change the problem to addition. So this really only works if it is addition problem. If it's subtracting, you have to add the opposite. So if you have a subtraction problem, you need to change that subtraction to plus a negative. Add the opposite. All right, second thing that you must do in order to make this work is find your zero pairs. Find the zero pairs. It is when you have a positive paired with a negative, and that is called a zero pair. So a positive and a negative is a zero pair because plus 1 minus 1 is 0. All right, let's try these problems. All right, we have -3 plus 5. We're good because it's an addition problem. I can use this. So a lot of times people try to use chips to represent. And that's a good way to physically, do it when you're first starting. But it's hard, if you're trying to take a test, it's easier to write it out. But let me just show you. All right, remember red is negative. So we have -3 plus 5. -3. 1, 2, 3. -3 plus 5. 1, 2. And why am I using black is because it's positive 5. Plus 5. 1, 2, 3. They stick. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So -3 plus 5. Hi. Okay. -3 plus 5, and that's positive 5. So now we have to find our zero pairs. Remember, our zero pairs are when we have a positive and a negative. That's the zero pair. So what we do with them is that becomes 0. So we take them out. They're gone. Boom. Boom. Okay, I have another zero pair and another. So, gone, gone, and gone, gone. All right, what's it leave me with? Well, there's nothing over here, so no negatives, but I do have 2 positives. So -3 plus 5 equals 2. And you can always check that because you can flip it and say 5 minus 3 is also 2. Or positive 5 minus 3. You could do it that way too. 5 minus 3. Well, in order to do this again, you'd have to use, make it addition. So you'd have to add the opposite. So 5 minus 3 is the same thing as positive 5 plus -3. So positive 5. Let me take my chips off and just do it this way. Positive 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -3 plus, because it has to be addition for this to work. And then you have to find your zero pairs. Well, the zero pairs are when you have a positive and a negative. So there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. So our answer is positive 2. So this is the same thing as this. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3. 5 plus -3, 5 plus -3. Add the opposite. Okay, so let's finish our other problems. I'm just going to write them on the paper here. So hold on, just give me a sec. Gotta put my marker lids on or they'll dry out. You know how that goes. So, marker lid on. Problems begin. Okay, we did that one. First one we got was 2. All right, next one. 7 plus -2. So how many 7s? Positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus, has to be a plus, -2. Well, how many negatives? Oh, I'm not using my colors. -2. So I got 7 positives and 2 negatives. So the positives are black and the negatives are red if we were using our chips. So I would have 2 reds and I would have 7 blacks. But to find the 0 pairs, it has to be a plus and a minus. Well, I only have 2 0 pairs. So take those away. 2 0 pairs. That would be this one and this one. Just forget that. We just have to have it be addition. Okay, so 2 0 pairs. So what is our answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 positive. Do I have to write positive 5? No. 5 would also be correct. Okay, 4 minus 12. It doesn't work for subtraction, so we have to make it an addition problem. So you can say 4, add the opposite, make that addition, plus -12. How many positives? 4. How many negatives? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 0 pairs. 4 0 pairs. Okay, and what's left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Equals. And what sign is it? Well, the bigger number is negative, so -8. All right, so hopefully that helps you add and subtract negative numbers. But you have to add them, really, by adding the opposite. Thanks. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.